Good morning, students, to all of you. So today we are going to do the second part of exercise 14.5, that is from question number 5 onwards, as you can see. So what is the question number 5? That is written, with PQ of length 6.1 centimeter as diameter, draw a circle. So we have to draw a line of dimension 6.1 centimeter, and with that line as a diameter, you have to draw a circle. Now how to do? First we will draw a line segment of length 6.1 centimeter. So here, so this is your 6.1. Okay, this much is 6.1. This is PQ. 6.1. Now with this line segment as a diameter, you have to draw a circle. Now we know that if the radius of a circle is given, you can easily draw a circle. But here the diameter is given 6.1. So first, you have to find the radius. Radius means half of the diameter. That means this PQ, you have to divide the line into two equal halves. Or in other words, you can say you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So what is the process of perpendicular bisector? So more than half you will take, this much, okay, as you can see, more than half. So at the top one arc, at the bottom one arc, okay, here. And again from this point P onwards, here one arc, and at the bottom another arc. Now if you join these 2 points, okay, with the help of your pencil and scale. Now this part, suppose this is O. This PO or OQ is the radius of the circle. Total line PQ is the diameter, and OP or OQ is the radius. Why it becomes a radius? Because we have drawn the perpendicular bisector. So this PO or OP becomes half of PQ. Now, how to draw a circle? Now with center O and this OP, suppose any one you can take, either you can take OP or OQ. Okay, with O as center and OP as radius, as you can see, this one. Now you draw one circle. Okay, just 1 minute. Here it's little bit, I have to draw it once more. Okay, with O as center and OP or OQ, as you can see, as radius, you draw one circle. So you see, this PQ becomes the diameter as it is written in the question, with PQ of length 6.1 centimeter as diameter. So this is the required circle. So first what you have done, first you have to draw a line PQ, then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ, then with OP or OQ as the radius. You can also take OQ, no problem. You can also take OQ as the radius, you have to draw the circle. Okay, so this is question number 5. Now question number 6. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4. Draw any chord AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and examine if it passes through the C. So first you have to draw a circle with circle with radius 3.4. So what we'll do here, you can just draw one line 3.4. Okay, so this is 3.4, and with this as a radius, so you take the measure. Okay, this is the measure, and here any center you draw the circle with center C. So this is the center, as you can see. Okay. Now what is the question? Draw a chord AB. Any chord you draw it. Anywhere. Suppose I am drawing here. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord. And you have to see that perpendicular bisector passes through the center. Now for the perpendicular bisector, name it as AB. Now for perpendicular bisector, you will take more than half. Suppose this much. This is more than half. Okay, or you can see here I have taken more than half. So now, the same procedure, you have to draw two arcs. Here, then this side also, and then from the point A, here, and in the bottom side also. Now you have to join. And what you will see, that this line passes through the center. See, this one is the center. So it passes through the center. So if you draw any chord and its perpendicular bisector, it always passes through the center, as we have done in this question. First of all, we have drawn a line of length. This one is 3.4. Then with the help of that line, we have drawn a circle. Then we have drawn one chord AB, and we have drawn the perpendicular bisector, and we have seen this perpendicular bisector passes through the center C. Now what is question number 7? Question number 7, repeat question number 6 if AB happens to be diameter. Now the same question number 6 you have to repeat, but in the previous question, we have taken AB as a chord. Here you have to take AB as a diameter, and you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. And you have to check whether that perpendicular bisector passes through the diameter, passes through the center or not. Obviously, it will pass through the center. So again, question number 6. So what we'll do, you will take this length, 3.4. Same question, so same radius. Okay, so this is 3.4. As you can see, 3.4. So this one, circle you draw first. So this is 3.4 centimeter. Now what you have to do, AB, in the previous question we have drawn chord. Here we will draw diameter. And this point is the center, C. Now what you have to do, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Same procedure, take more than half. Okay, suppose this is more than half I have taken. And here one top, okay, at the top and at the bottom. And from the point A, again at the top and again at the bottom. Now you have to join, and you have to see whether this passes through the center or not, and obviously it will pass through the center. So it is passing through the center. So in this question we have taken AB as a diameter, and in the previous question, as you can see, this one we have taken AB as a chord. And all of you know, diameter is the longest chord. So this one also passes through the center, and in this question also it is passing through the center. Now question number 8. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Draw any two chords. Construct the perpendicular bisector of these chords. Where do they meet? Now we have to draw two chords and their perpendicular bisector of radius 4 centimeters. So first you draw a line of 4 centimeter here, as you can see the, okay, this is the line segment of length 4 centimeter. So take the measurement. This one, as you can see, and draw one circle. This is the circle and this one is the center. Okay, this is the center, suppose C. Now you have to draw two chords. Any two chords you can draw. So first one I am drawing here. And second one, suppose I am drawing here. Because it is told any two chords. Now suppose, okay, afterwards we'll give the name. First, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of both these chords. So again, the same procedure. Perpendicular bisector means the same procedure. You have to take more than half and you have to draw these two arcs and you have to join. So again, I'm taking more than half. Okay, I'm taking this much, more than half. Now here one arc and here. And similarly from this point, one arc here and one arc here. And you know this line will pass through the center. So this point is the center, as all of you can see, this point. Okay. Now similarly you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line also. So more than half I have taken. So at the top here one line and here another line. From this point you have to draw another here and here another. So you can see this, obviously it is touching the center, these two arcs. So the line will pass through the center only. So both the line are passing through the center. Now the question is, where do they meet? Now where they are meeting? They are meeting at the center. So you have to write down the two chords. Sorry, the perpendicular bisector of two chords. The perpendicular bisector of two chords meet at center. The perpendicular bisectors of two chords meet at the center C, because I have taken the center as C. Okay. And now you can give the name of these chords, AB, and here I can give EF. Okay, because C already we have taken as a center, so I have given AB and EF. So the perpendicular bisectors of two chords meet at the center C. As you can observe from this diagram, this line and this line, they are meeting at the center C. So this is question number 8. Total there are 9 questions, so only one question is left. Now the last one. So you have already done 4 questions. This is another, this one 5 and this one 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8 already done. Now question number 8. Okay, now question number 8, as you can see here. This is question number 9. This is question number 9. Draw any angle with vertex O. Now you have to draw any angle with vertex O. Take a point A on one of its arms and B on another such that OA equals to OB. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. Let them meet at P. Is PA equals to PB? Now you have to read the question very carefully. So first you have to draw any angle. So let us draw any angle. So with the help of scale only, suppose this one, and from here okay, this line we have drawn as any angle. Okay, let me rub this one because again I have to draw. With the help of your protector also you can draw any angle. But here simply we are drawing with a scale. So this one becomes any angle. Okay. Now what is the question with vertex O? So you know this is the vertex O. Now what is the question here? Take a point A on one of its arms. Now in the angle there are two arms. This is one arm and this is another arm. So you have to take 2 points, A on one of its arms and B or another arm such that OA equals to OB. So here suppose I am taking A on this arm and B on this arm, and same length OA equals to OB. So with your scale, any measurement you can draw. Suppose I am taking 4 centimeter OA. So this one you can see 4 centimeter. So this is the point A. This one is the point A. And here also you have to take 4 centimeter. So this one is the point B. OA equals to OB as given in the question. This is the vertex. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. So now let's draw the perpendicular bisector, same procedure. So first I am drawing this OB. So this is more than half, as you can see. More than half I have taken. So here arc, same procedure, perpendicular bisector again and again we are doing. Now from O, this is one and this is one. Now join it. Now again for OA, this one. So again you take more than half. So already we have taken, this is more than half. Okay. Or you can see here more than half I have taken. Now you draw two arcs. So here one and in the bottom here one, and from the A point, okay, we have drawn from the O point and A point you have to draw another one. So just wait. So we have taken this half. Okay, you have to draw bigger. Okay, so it will cut. And this one, acha, same arc is coming, same. Here also and here. Okay, let me draw one again, once again, okay, because little bit problem is coming here. I've taken more than half, only this portion I'm drawing. This one and okay, now it's okay. Now you have to join. If you join, okay, these two lines we have obtained. Now let them meet at let them meet at P. So you have to extend both the lines. This line also you have to extend. Okay. And here also this line also you have to extend. So you can see they are meeting at P point. This is the P point, this meeting point. So name it as P. Now what is the question? PA equals to PB. Now join PA and PB. This is PB and this is PA. Now you have to check whether PA equals to PB or not. So here almost it is coming 4 and here also it is coming 4. So same length, PA also 4, PB also 4. So what you have to write down? Yes, PA equals to PB equals to 4 centimeter. Now why it is coming 4 centimeter? Because as I told you, I have taken here OA and OB as 4 centimeter. So if you take any length, suppose if you take OA and OB as 5 centimeter, here your answer will come 5 centimeter. So since I have taken 4, so here my is PA equals to PB? Yes, and it is coming 4 centimeter. So this is the procedure. So this one, especially this one, you need to go through this one at least 2 to 3 times. Okay. Because I have also rubbed this one and again I have drawn. So for you to understand this, particularly this question number 9, it will take some time. So go through this, actually go through all the diagrams 2 or 3 times, but especially this one. Okay. So we are done with exercise 14.5. Only the last exercise is left. And if you have any problem regarding this, you can ask. Okay, thank you.